Common Urdu phrases for everyday conversations. Speak Urdu confidently. Tired of struggling to understand everyday Urdu conversations? This video will unlock the key phrases you need to confidently engage in daily interactions. Let's make Urdu easy and fun. Greetings and introductions. Let's start with the basics. Hello. If we meet someone, we say hello. In Urdu, we say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. And the other one says Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum and Wa alaikum assalam. How are you? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? And for female, we say आप कैसी हैं? How are you means आप कैसे हैं? For male, we say आप कैसे हैं? And for female, we say आप कैसी हैं? I'm fine, thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. Common daily phrases. Here are some everyday phrases you will hear in homes, markets, and even at work. Have you eaten? आपने खाना खाया? Have you eaten means आपने खाना खाया? What time is it? In Urdu, क्या वक्त हुआ है? क्या वक्त हुआ है? Please. In Urdu, it's Brahe Meherbani. Please means Brahe Meherbani. Thank you. Shukriya. Thank you. Shukriya. I need help. मुझे मदद चाहिए. मुझे मदद चाहिए. Phrases for shopping and travel. Next time when you go shopping or travel around town, try this. How much is this? ये कितने का है? ये कितने का है? How much is this means ये कितने का है? Where is the market? Market कहाँ है? Market कहाँ है? I want to go to. मैं जाना चाहता हूँ. For female, मैं जाना चाहती हूँ. I want to go means मैं जाना चाहता हूँ या मैं जाना चाहती हूँ. Practice with family or friends to build confidence. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep speaking. Want to sound like a native speaker? Practice these phrases daily and you will be speaking Urdu smoothly in no time. Subscribe for more easy Urdu lessons. Comment your favorite Urdu phrase below. Like and share if you found this helpful. Learn, practice, speak Urdu with confidence. This is just the beginning of your Urdu journey. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.